Before the COVID-19 pandemic, most all-new vehicle launches were held in big ballrooms or large convention halls, with dramatic backdrops and rollouts before invited VIPs and special guests and a horde of motoring journalists and other media. The COVID-19 put a stop to that, but Nissan Philippines is looking to revive that tradition with the launch of the all-new Almera, albeit without the invited crowd. The venue? The World Trade Center. The set, a dark backdrop, red highlighted center stage, spotlights galore. Perfect for a dramatic rollout of the all-new Nissan Almera. Also perfect for the online public to virtually experience a traditional vehicle rollout. But first, a word from Nissan Philippines President and Managing Director Atsushi Najima.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today, where you are keeping yourselves safe with your loved ones. Nissan's challenger spirit is fundamental for the brand. With the Nissan Next plan, we challenge the status quo. To do so, we have strengthened our relationships with our customers and our dealer partners. We continue to bring innovations to materialize our vision of enriching people's lives better, and we have already transformed our business in the Philippines in many ways. The most obvious transformation for Nissan in the Philippines is through our vehicle lineup, which is stronger than ever. In March, we launched the new, smarter and tougher Nissan Navara pickup. In May, we launched the Nissan Leaf, offering not just electrified mobility, but also a sustainable future. Last month, we launched the new, smart and elegant family mid-size SUV, the new Nissan Terra, with significant upgrades in design, performance, and technology. Today, we challenge ourselves to make the lineup even stronger after launching 3 game-changing models this year. What if we launch another segment-breaking vehicle in the Philippines? This is why we are unveiling the new Nissan Almera today.
The big reveal impresses with theatrical lights, but with each rollout of the all-new Almera variants, Nissan reveals the targeted customers.
The all-new Nissan Almera represents new beginnings. Nissan in the Philippines will support the start of the new chapter in our customers' lives. It can be your first car. It can be your first big purchase after you start working. It can be your best friend, your first love, or your first baby. It can be your first taste of freedom, a symbol of growing up, a trophy or a prize for a job well done. It is a milestone for your life.
In rolling out the all-new Almera, now sporting a 1.0-liter turbo engine, Nissan intelligent mobility features, and a new and bolder design element, Nissan aims to give its first in-class elements.
It is stylish because its exteriors are updated with a design language of emotional geometry, and its interiors are upgraded for comfort and convenience. This makes you proud to own the all-new Almera. It is reliable because the 1.0-liter turbo engine generates a powerful performance and high fuel efficiency. In addition to that, the 5-year warranty makes the all-new Almera the sedan you can trust. It is smart because it is equipped with Nissan Intelligent Mobility that gives you more confidence in your daily drive. Features such as the Around View monitor helps you maneuver safely and easily, especially in tight spaces or while parking. These are just glimpses of why the new Nissan Almera is your perfect partner for new beginnings.
And this is all about meeting and exceeding customer expectations.
When we dialogue, customers and business partners, always their inputs are very, very inspiring for us. Then we need to work hard to meet or exceed their expectations. Then in the end, if we see the smile on the customers' faces, then our effort will pay out. So therefore, hopefully with the new Nissan Almera, we see many smiles on our customers' faces.
The all-new Nissan Almera is now available in all Nissan dealerships.
The all-new Almera, Nissan Almera, is available at these places. Yeah, please visit, if you have time, please visit the Nissan homepage at nissan.philippine or visit your nearest Nissan dealership to feel and touch and experience on the new Almera. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you.